Hi, welcome to ASM Pest Control. Are you tired of rodents running around your place? In this video, we will discuss some practical methods for rodent control. Following are some easy DIY tips. 1. Peppermint oil. Using peppermint oil is an economical way to keep rodents away. Wet cotton balls with peppermint oil and place them around your windows, doors, and cabinets. Replace these with a new batch when the smell goes away. 2. Ammonia spray. Rodents dislike the pungent smell of ammonia spray. Make a mixture with equal portions of water and spray it across all surfaces, especially the kitchen and bathroom. It will keep them away. 3. Apple cider vinegar and water mixture. Dilute equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and transfer into a spray bottle. You can spray it around your house to immediately ban rodents from your property. 4. Black pepper. Black pepper is a safe and effective remedy against rodents. Its pungent smell acts as a natural repellent. Its consumption damages their lungs and kills them immediately. 5. Boric acid poison. Make a chicken stock and mix the boric acid powder in it. Keep it near to their nests. The smell attracts these pests, and boric powder proves to be toxic. You can also make cotton balls by dipping them in the mixture. But these methods can be hectic. ASM Pest Control is here to get rid of rodents. Our expert team can remove rodents from your property. Call us today.